By the way, the $6 birthday cake shots are really fucking delicious. You should get one.
Alright, everybody, let's wish Big Brandy a happy birthday. I am a child of the 70s, so you're going to be enlightened tonight. I know a whole lot of them 70s songs. See if you guys remember this one. Yeah.